Is the
Please,
TMC, yeah, please come in. Is the TMC living in La La Land when it comes to that everything is okay on the ground and everything that's happening in West Bengal? We see this time and time again that, you know, there is violence on the streets. It's been happening since the time of the left. And now the TMC, being in power for so long in West Bengal, still points the fingers at the opposition.
You know, Ayushman, first and foremost, thank you for laying down the tenor of the debate by giving out those statistics. 175 booths in Murshidabad alone will see repolling, and out of the 600 odd booths that will see repolling, 376 from Murshidabad, Malda and Nadia. But the problem is not limited to these three areas. From Barakpur to Khargram to Jhargram to Arambagh to Kaliachak to Bankura, to North 24 Parganas, to South 24 Parganas. You have to just look at social media, and anyone who does not even follow politics but has basic common sense will realize that law and order has taken a flying leap out of the window under a thoroughly incompetent Mamata Banerjee. And I always tell this, Ayushman, the only way to solve a problem is at least to first take cognizance of it. But here, Mamata Banerjee is the new Dhritarashtra of Indian politics. Bengal, आग में झोंक दिया गया है, but she says, सब चंगा सी, all is well. I want to now bust one falsehood which has been doing the rounds, and I've been on a zillion debates in the last 96 odd hours on the particular Panchayat poll issue of West Bengal. There is this narrative that TMC panelists have been peddling that law and order during a Panchayat poll is not the preserve of the state government, it is the preserve of the State Election Commission. So point number one, while State Election Commission Chief Rajiv Sinha was indeed appointed by the Governor C.V. Ananda Bose, after his appointment, Rajiv Sinha owes his allegiance under the Constitution to the Chief Minister of the state, in this case Mamata Banerjee. Point number two, read Article 324 right up till 329 of the Constitution, which lays down the powers of the Election Commission and what it can and cannot do during be it Panchayat polls, Vidhan Sabha polls or any other polls for that matter. Article 324 and 326 say that while the duty of the Election Commission, be it central or state, is to ensure free and fair elections, in the case of Vidhan Sabha elections, the law and order continues to be the responsibility and the prerogative of the Chief Minister, in this case Mamata Banerjee. So Mamata Banerjee and her acolytes, please take onus, please take responsibility for a change. Do not shift the buck and say, हमारा तो law and order situation से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, लेना देना है और ममता बनर्जी की सरकार का ही लेना देना है. They have to take responsibility. My point number three, and I think I will end with this. Forget what Sanju Verma is saying. Ayushman, even forget for a minute what your reporters are saying. I think you cannot question the integrity and the bona fides of the Supreme Court. And this is what the Supreme Court told Mamata Banerjee when State Election Commission on her behalf said, we don't need central paramilitary forces. Sab changa si. This is what the Supreme Court said. Holding elections cannot be a license to commit violence. Elections cannot be accompanied with violence. If the candidates are unable to file nomination or if they are finished off while they are going to file nominations, then where are free and fair elections?
Absolutely.
This is what Supreme Court asked Mamata Banerjee.
Riju Datta,
there has been an absolute condemnation of incompetent Mamata Banerjee government. टीवी डिबेट पर आकर रोना धोना और बाकियों को ब्लेम करना बंद करो.
Right.